In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an invoice template in Xero. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Make sure you're using the correct organization before you begin, especially if you manage more than one business profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the settings that control how your invoices look and what information they include. Next, click on your organization name and choose Settings. This is where Xero keeps the main configuration options for your account. From there, select Invoice Settings to open the area where your invoice templates, also known as branding themes, are stored. Once you're in the Invoice Settings section, find the invoice branding theme you want to customize. If you have multiple themes set up, take a moment to choose the one that matches the type of invoice you want to update. This helps ensure you're editing the right template before making any changes. After that, click Options and then select Edit. This opens the branding theme editor, where you can adjust both the visual design and the information shown on the invoice. One of the first things you may want to update is the logo. You can add a new company logo or replace the current one. A clear, professional logo helps your invoices look polished and recognizable, so it's worth checking that the image is high quality and displays properly. Next, review your business information. Update the company address and payment details so customers see the correct contact and payment information on every invoice. This is especially important if your business has recently changed location, bank details, or billing instructions. Now, customize the invoice appearance. Adjust the template settings, layout, and displayed fields based on how much detail you want your customers to see. This is where you can make the invoice more readable and aligned with your branding. As you make changes, try to keep the layout clean and easy to understand. You can also edit the email and payment information if needed. Update the payment advice and invoice messaging to make your communication clear and professional. This can help reduce confusion and make it easier for customers to know how and when to pay. Before finishing, preview the template on screen. Carefully review the invoice to make sure everything looks correct, including spacing, business details, logo placement, and any payment-related text. A quick preview can help you catch small mistakes before the template goes live. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. Your updated branding theme will then be ready to use. To confirm everything is working as expected, create a new invoice and select the updated branding theme. This final check lets you see the customized template in action and make sure it appears exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.